Welcome back to the baking aisle. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make the low carb almond sponge cake. For this cake, we'll be sifting together 3/4 cups of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of erythritol wheat gluten, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to sift that and then we'll set it aside. For this cake, we're going to use 3 eggs and we're going to separate the yolk and the white. Now add the 3 yolks to a bowl and whisk together until it is light and fluffy. And when it is light, now add half a cup of erythritol. You can also use stevia or any other sweetener you have on hand. To that, add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, one tablespoon of coconut oil, and whisk together. When it is well incorporated, you're going to add your almond flour mix. And then you're going to alternate this with 2 tablespoons of almond milk, and then you're going to beat together between every addition. If your mixture is too hard, You can add 1 more tablespoon of almond milk until it reaches a spreadable consistency. Now when you're done with that, set it aside, and now let's go on to beat our egg white. You want to beat your egg whites on high until it reaches a stiff peak. You know that you have reached a stiff peak when you turn your bowl over and nothing falls out. Now that you have done that, let's put everything together. Now you're going to add 1/3 of your egg whites to the almond meal mixture, okay? You want to mix it together and you want to use the folding method. As much as you want everything to be well incorporated, you still want to be careful not to knock out your air, so you want to use the folding method. Now that all your egg whites are in the mixture, you want to pour it into your prepared pan. Now make sure that you spread it into the pan properly. And then you want to knock out the excess air. Finally, we're going to add 1/4 cup of blanched slivered almonds on the top. This gives the cake a crunchy finish. It's really yummy, so you want to try this. With that done, you want to put your cake in your preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to bake between 30 and 45 minutes or until you insert a skewer and it comes out clean. Guys, this cake is really yummy. You want to give it a try, and it's good for people with low carb needs and keto. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video to the end. Consider subscribing to my channel, liking my video, and of course sharing it. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Bye bye.